Entrepreneurs, how's it going? Okay, point number 5, we've got links. The more external links you have going into your website, the better. Google will trust you a little bit more and it'll move you up the search engines organically, which is what we are all looking for. The elements are broken down into these. So first up, we've got value. Don't just have any old link going into your website. What you need to make sure is they are valuable. So have links from social media sites, online directories, maybe there's a Trustpilot where you've got loads of reviews. Link your website to those. Governing bodies, at the bottom of the website, always good options. Importance ranking of 3 on that one, so it is very important the links you're providing to your users are very, very valuable. Then we have your anchors. We've got an importance of +2 on your anchors. So what you need to do is link your website to other websites that relate to yours. If there's a blog on another website that talks really well about something that you're trying to sell, link it. That's very important. Don't just link your website to places that make no sense, that don't have anything to do with your business whatsoever. Be mindful of how companies are talking about you on their websites, and be mindful of the reviews that you are having linked in. If you have bad reviews, negative terms online about yourself, and these all start building up all over the place, your reputation will come down, which we discussed in the last one, and you will be punished in the search engines. Backlinks. So we've got an importance factor of 1 on the backlinks. If you're providing value on your links, then your backlinks will be pretty much the same. So these are incoming links into your website from your social media sites and stuff like that. What you can do on your actual web page is interlink your individual pages. So if you're on your home page, you're talking about something on a separate service page, add a little link so you can lead them through. This helps Google's web crawlers navigate your website when they come to index it, and it will also help customers navigate your website easier. That's everything there on the link side of things. So what we'll do, we're going to jump on to the next one,